So hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 440 Charles Drive here in Melbourne, Florida, 32935. And before we get started here, I want to give a quick shout out to Kelsey Nelson with Remax Elite. She's the listing agent on this property, and I do appreciate her allowing us to do a full-length video to give you a good look at this home in its entirety. So just so you kind of have a good idea, that is a main street at the very end down there. A cute little squirrel jumping across the road there. So we do have a bigger driveway here, which is nice to have the extra space. Got a front yard, nice patio area in the front. So we do have some space up here to park or a boat, some hangout space. So we're gonna go ahead and go on up here into the front area. A good look at the windows, wood above me here, and just jump right inside here, folks. As we go in, we've got nice pretty flooring all the way throughout. And go a little slow, make sure you get a good look at everything. Yeah, decent sized living room there. Plenty of room for hanging out. Cute little stand here. Let's jump into the kitchen. So you do have the pantry area over here, and looks like it has these cool pull-outs. Maybe, might just be showing. Nope, actually pulls out, which is nice. You can do some pull-out. Got that in that one as well. They are not the slow close, but they are super cute. And of course you got your stove, your microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher. So really nice sink here, folks. Nice little pass through to the next room. More cabinets above here. A cute little galley kitchen. Then we go out into this space. We've got more living room area here. Pass through from the kitchen. We'll go outside in a moment, but nice little patio area out there. There's a step here as we go down into the primary bedroom, assuming that this used to be a garage at some point in its world. But you do have a nice window on the front. You've got a door to the back there. You do have a primary bathroom here. So you've got a step-in closet. Step-in shower, not super big, but enough to fit. Nice vanity area. Got a huge mirror all the way across. Got some nice tile in there, matches the flooring in here. Open up the closet so you can see your closet space. It does have a split plan or a split unit up there for air conditioning for this side of the house. And we're going to go back through here, back through our living room. There's your front door, living room space, kitchen, extra room, and primary bedroom. Just so you kind of keep your bearing on where we are. Let's see if we get this closet open. There's no handle on there, but wanted to get that open so you can check out the AC. Information you may want on there. Does look like Able Airs, who's been taking care of the AC. that bad boy back up and head down the hallway. So as we get to the first bedroom, I use this as a little workout area, it looks like. Outside here you have neighbors, a little bit of foliage. Looks like I'm not walking out there, so we might as well look from here. And nice deep closet. So as you can see the depth down on the bottom a little bit better, I believe. Another closet here. Again, these closets are really deep. So you kind of see the space back. So for your second bathroom, cute little vanity, tub shower, nice lighting, mirrors, bit of shelving, into the next bedroom. Again, nice flooring throughout. And again, another deep closet. And into the third bedroom. Which is technically the fourth bedroom with the primary. So a nice split plan. This closet is deep as well. It's just a little bit fuller. And back down the hallway. And again, we got the 3 bedrooms back there. Front door in front of me. Living, dining, kitchen. And we're going to cruise out the back door. Some nice big heavy doors there. Not sure whether they'll be hurricane, but they're definitely double pane. So nice little sitting area. The concrete pad, as you can see, goes quite a ways back. That bed door goes to the primary bedroom. And this does go all the way around to the front there. So you have a nice gate all the way to here. So most of your trees are on the back area. We don't have anything over the roof on this side. Take a little walk through the yard. To the back. You do have fencing in the back. Chain link is in front of the fencing all the way, except for on this side. You've just got some chain link and chain link here. This tree, on the other hand, which is in your yard, is going over the roof right there. So you definitely want to cut back that branch just so you don't have anything dripping on the roof there. Nobody likes things falling on the roof. So I get back a little further so you can get a better view. So we've got the little parts up there for the hurricane shutters. All the electrical panel stuff in the back here. Don't know that I saw the electrical panel. So let's see. Logically, electrical panel should be in this room. This used to be the garage. Aha. Put my stuff down. And we do have the electrical panel. Definitely looks like this electrical panel has been updated. In fact, I believe something up there says 23, date of inspection. Pipes go in. So, this of course used to be a patio, I'm assuming, or it had French doors there. So we're going to hang out in the kitchen area while I give you a quick recap of this home. So we're at 440 Charles Drive here in Melbourne. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1609 square foot, built in 1957. It's fully updated, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, split plan, lots of natural life, wide plank flooring throughout, no carpet. Improvements have been a 2023 roof, windows, doors, water heater, AC, air ducts, electrical panel, and completely repiped supply lines. Step out into the fully fenced yard. So tons and tons of wonderful stuff here, folks. So the only part that has not been plumbed with the new lines is this kitchen and that primary bath that we had back here. Take a quick look again so we can see. So both those are on the very back of the home. So when they were looking at getting those replumbed, kitchen of course is there. This is the patio area that they would have to tear up to get the supply line done for those two areas. Anyway, one more shout out to the list agent, Kelsey Nelson with Remax Elite. She was kind enough to let us do this in-depth video so you can get a really good look here at 440 Charles Drive in Melbourne, Florida. My name again is Margarett Klein. If you have any questions or want to see this home, please give me a call, 321-480-7662. And Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off at 440 Charles Drive in Melbourne, Florida.